Hello everyone. This recording is about training requirements for committee chairs. Again, we are discussing about the 2010 procedure manual for KDNC. Now, chapter committee chairs should attend Wilaya Assembly before serving as chairs. The relation to the Wilaya leadership team of the chapter committee chairs is that the committees should work with assistant governors and relevant Wilaya committees. The chapters should regularly report the status of the activities to the chapter board and the chapter's assemblies as appropriate. The chapter assembly is a meeting of all chapter members, including the chapter's officers, directors, and committee chairs, held for the purpose of conferring on the program and activities of the chapter for the membership education. All chapter members are urged to attend. The chapter president or the designated officer presides at these meetings. Chapter assemblies are held when the governor or assistant governor visits and other appropriate times. Chapters are also encouraged to hold chapter assembly immediately after the Wilaya Assembly and the Wilaya Conference in order to receive reports on the programs and activities throughout the Wilaya. Handling of chapter funds. Let us discuss about how the chapter funds will be handled. At the beginning of each fiscal year, the chapter's board of directors must prepare or cause to be prepared a budget of estimated income and estimated expenditure for the year, which having been agreed upon by the board shall stand as limit of expenditures for the respective purposes unless otherwise ordered by action of the board. All bills shall be paid by the treasurer or other authorized officers only after approval by two other officers or directors. A qualified accountant or other qualified person must make an independent review of all chapters' financial transactions each year. Let me repeat that statement again. All bills shall be paid by the treasurer and other authorized officer only after approval by two other officers or directors. A qualified accountant or other qualified person must make an independent review of all chapters' financial transactions each year. Chapter meetings are not required to include a meal, thereby reducing the cost for the individual members. Chapters should review their practices of finding or establishing informal chapter assessment in order to minimize chapter member expenses. Per capita dues. See Chapter 3 for discussion on per capita dues on semi-annual reports. Chapters with past due financial obligations to KDNC. All chapters are notified of the board's policy on non-payment of per capita dues and other financial obligations to KDNC in the letter transmitting each semi-annual report. The termination notification is sent to the chapter by registered mail, and copies of the notification are sent to the governors and directors in the area. KDNC has adopted the following procedures for collecting past due financial obligations. 1. Reminder notices to chapters with unpaid financial obligations in excess of $250 will be sent 90 days or 3 months from due date. Termination of chapters with unpaid financial obligations in excess of $250 will occur 180 days, that is 6 months from the due date. 3. Any terminated chapter that has fully paid its financial obligation, which will include a $10 per member reinstatement fee for a minimum of 10 members within 270 days, that is 9 months from the due date, will be reinstated. Unpaid financial obligations of $50 or less will be written off after 270 days from the due date. 5. Letters requesting payment will be sent to chapters with balance of $250 or less, but termination will not be mentioned. 6. A record of chapters with consistent patterns of non-payment at the $50 will be maintained. After 2 cycles of non-payment, the General Secretary has discretionary authority to suspend KDNC entrepreneurial chapters activities to the chapter. Records of all write-offs of chapter financial obligations will be terminated for review by the board at any time. Thank you very much. Again, that's a very important note about what happens when the chapters do not meet their financial obligations. Thank you.